Hey everyone, I'm Misha from Lugano, and today I share my hands-on experience on the new VMP 1.5 software. Let me tell you, it's a game changer for our workflows. Let's dive in. At first, I will show you the new dashboard, and now we can see all our screens, controllers and cabinet in one overview. We can control the brightness from all screens, color temperature and all presets in one dashboard. In the monitoring area, you see now each status of every component, and on the alarm tab, you see now every failure, descriptions, causes and suggestions. And another key upgrade in VMP 1.5 is the calibration coefficient management. Only licensed writers are allowed, and also all coefficients are read from the module flash. It prevents errors, protects image quality and speeds up maintenance. A new key feature in the GUI, now you can group some modules and simply copy and paste them, arrange them, and you can connect it to the ports you want. These features saved us time, reduce our risks, and elevate our event safety.